Xero doesn't integrate directly with Shopify, so use apps for automated syncing of sales, invoices, taxes, and payouts. Top options: official Xero app, free in most regions, A2X, or Link My Books. Setup takes 10 to 30 minutes. Steps using official Xero app. Install the app, Shopify admin, apps, search Xero. Install Xero. Sync daily sales to Xero. Authorize. Connect accounts. Log into Xero. Grant access. Map Shopify data. Select payout gateways, for example, Shopify payments, PayPal, currencies, and tax rates. Configure sync set frequency, daily summary at EOD. Choose invoice format, summary or individual orders. Enable auto reconciliation for payouts. Test and launch. Run a test sync. Manual export first. Verify invoices in Xero. Go live. Data flows automatically. Sales. Xero invoices. Fees. Xero's taxes reconciled.